15 knots. Yeah. Right now JP's got a huge line of boats. Going to get our bait for today. We're all here in line, ties, keeping everybody on par. Edie's, of course, is eating his food. Taylor is up. Okay, guys, scoot up, guys. Push up. Dee's, where do you think the ocean? We're gonna make some hot chocolate here when we get out. Beautiful day. Everybody's getting their bait today. Big old line right over there. Here's San Francisco. Alright, we're at 5 fish so far. I just caught the last one about 15 minutes, a shaker, halibut. Fishing's been pretty good. Winds have started to pick up a little bit as forecasted. See that.
Roger, Captain, and you said that your friend is coming to pick you up?
They got a boat with battery died, so they're talking to the Coast Guard right now.
Roger, Captain. I'm going to assist someone else at this time. Thank you. Vessel at Oyster Point. Oyster Point. How many people do you have on board? Over.
A lot of Coast Guard's been busy this morning. Winkers has caught the biggest one so far. Almost a 22 inches. What do you think, Winkers? I know. I tell you, those halibut, man, they're fighting fish, aren't they, Winkers? Our means yes, and Winker talk.
Vessel in Monterey. I am trying to assist another person in the San Francisco Bay at this time.
Alright, Winkers, DD's is in here, sipping his hot chocolate.
Vessel in Oyster Point, can I get a description of your vessel?
He's watching his YouTubes and his pole's out, but how he works is Daddy tells him that he's got a fish and then he comes and gets it. Right, Deez?
Vessel at Oyster Point, can I get a description of your vessel?
Beautiful day on the bay. Doing a little trolling right now. Kind of
Vessel at Oyster Point, this is the Coast Guard. Can I get a description of your vessel?
And we got our live well that we built right here. See the fish in there swimming and having a good old time.
Roger, Captain, and how many people are you from the number?
We're with the dead partners.
Probably. See, that's recording.
I want my hot chocolate.
And here's Deez.
I want my hot chocolate.
Been a good fishing day. 4 fish.
Oh, fish.
Non-keepers.
Oh,
No keepers yet.
well, like Lake
One
Powell.
was really close. We thought
Remember
one
that
was at
time
22.
at Lake Powell we got like 55 fish?
Oh, I know.
Or like 100.
Got 3 poles out. I don't know if you can see that over there. That's the USS Hornet. That's that aircraft carrier picked up Apollo 11 spacecraft.
Look my hot chocolate.
San Francisco, beautiful day today. We're making hot chocolate right now. Gorgeous day on the bay. I think we might have to go up to where we were, our first spot.
You know what? I want to have some Cheetos.
Nothing over here. I think this is one? Yep, yep, go.
He's a big one. Oh, he's a big one.
Nice. Oh, you got it stuck on there.
No, go with it. Got stuck on something.
You just got to yank that thing. Just put it there, stick it in.
No, I got him. I got him.
Oh my gosh.
Came back. Came back.
Lucky devil. Keep pressure on him.
On your side. Come on your side.
You want to come right at you. Keep pressure on him.
Oh, he's a little baby.
No, okay. Almost as something
I think I cut him on the way up.
Yeah, it might be easy. I think she's small, but try it.
It felt like it was much bigger than that. All right, little. Take the pliers over
Right behind you.
there. Yeah! Tournament day, baby. I already caught a 21-incher. One in the lead, baby.
One in the lead. One in the lead. We had some technical difficulties with the getting swamped by a big old wave.
Yeah.
Now we're coming around.
We had a great white we came into. Went aboard. Grabbed my arm. I snapped his neck.
Horrible. It's horrible.
You at 30?
Oh, come on. Hold on.
Oh, yeah. Yep. He's a big one.
Woo!
Yeah.
Give me my line.
That old ugly stick. Rebelling.
Number two. You probably hit mine and went right over yours.
Yeah.
You did? Oh! Well, chasing it. That was awesome.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Coming up?
Yeah. He's a good one.
Come on, weird. Coming on. Oh, shoot. Exit. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that one. Look how bad he is. Nice,
Yeah.
brother. Want to measure him? Pull it out.
Yeah, we got some fish at 18 feet right now.
Let's see it.
Oh,
Got one.
Yep.
Pull up.
yep. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. Gotta pull it off the thing first.
Yeah. I told you. Ah, he got off.
Yeah. So when that clip, you have to yank hard off
Yeah.
that thing.
I did, Dave. Oh, man, he was a big one, too.
Right here, I'll mark that spot.
Yeah, right when I said it.
Right there.
I felt
Yeah,
it.
they're about 14
I told you.
14 feet.
God damn it. Big one.
I got another one.
The only good thing about having a barbed wire, it catches.
Oh, I know.